Hey guys, welcome back to another delicious yet easy recipe. Today we're making chicken and broccoli Alfredo pasta. This recipe is so easy, so creamy, and just so simple. You can whip this up in 30 minutes from start to finish. If you want to see it, keep on watching and just let's get started. To begin, I am starting by cooking my pasta according to the package. Basically, just water, salt, and once it comes to a boil, just add the pasta in until your pasta al dente. Then drain out the water and set it aside. Now, I did not show you guys all the ingredients for today's recipe like I usually do, but the measurement and everything that I use in today's recipe will be down below in the description box. Y'all know I got y'all, so check that out. All right, moving on, we're going to start by seasoning our chicken. I'm using one chicken breast. For the seasoning, I'm using Mrs. Dash original seasoning, ground black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and freshly cracked pepper. Just rub it all over the chicken. In this skillet, I am going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil on medium-high heat. Then we can place our chicken on there. Okay, you want to have a nice golden brown on the chicken. We're going to cook the chicken for about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Once it's done, we can look at that. Ooh. The angle, the side camera is like the best. I need 2 camera now. Like, come on. This look the bomb. Now we're going to set that aside. Moving on, in the same skillet, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Then we're going to add 1 garlic clove. Okay, as you guys can see, I just cut them up. You can mince them if you want. Once that is nice and golden brown, we can add our flour. I'm using 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. We're going to cook the flour for about 60 seconds because you do want to remove the raw flour taste so it doesn't taste funny. Then once that is done cooking, we can add our milk. I'm using about 1.5 cup of whole milk. Then once that is done, we're going to add in, once you're done, you're going to add in some heavy cream. Like I said, the measurement will be below. Check it out. To season, I'm using basically the same seasoning that I use for the chicken. Just add that on there, give it a stir. Then we can add in before we do, we're going to add some more freshly cracked pepper because I did taste it. I needed more pepper. So we're going to add a few dashes of ground black pepper. Now we can add in our pasta with the broccoli. Now I'm using frozen broccoli. I microwaved it for about 6 minutes until they're like fully cooked. And then I just pour it in there. Okay, so this recipe is legitly going to be done in 30 minutes. Perfect for a time like this. 5 o'clock dinner time? And then once you're done, you're going to add some Parmesan cheese. Of course, if you have the freshly grated Parmesan cheese, add that in there, sis. Then you can add some dry parsley. I'm using dry parsley. You can use fresh parsley if you like. Give that a stir. Of course, you can taste it. If you need more salt, more seasoning, whatever you need, just add it in there, sis. It's your food, not mine. All right. Now we can cut the chicken into bite size and place it on top of our pasta. And I did place my chicken in the oven for about 10 more minutes just to be safe. All right. And basically just place it on top. This is dinner. All right. Dinner served. Hope you guys enjoy the recipe. Let me know down below. Are you going to try this? Is this a yay or a nay in your book? Let me know. Also comment down below if you're going to recreate this recipe. Follow us on Instagram, Allen Vibe Cooking. Give the video a thumbs up for me. And this was definitely a yay. I love pasta. So you know. And look at this. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.